Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking into this problem. So at first, the average age of the staffs in the company was equal to the number of staffs. When a new 51-year-old staff joins the company, the new average age of the staffs is again equal to the new number of staffs in the company. How many staffs are there in the company now? So we start off by giving the number of staffs. Let's just call this x, okay? So x is the number of staffs, but it's also the average age. So it's the average age over here. This is the number of staffs. Let me just write this down. Number of staffs. And this is the average age. Okay. So what is the total age of the staffs? But the average age times the number of staffs, because if you want to find the average, you take the total divided by the number and you get the average. So you multiply it back. So we get x times x, which is actually x squared. Okay. Next up, when a new 51-year-old staff joins the company, so that means that this is the total age before. Now there's a 51-year-old. Okay. The new average age of the staffs is again equal to the new number of staffs. So how many number of staffs are there actually? The number of staffs now is actually the original one, which is x, but there's one more, so we plus 1 over here, okay? So it's x plus 1. And what we get? We get the average age of the staffs equal to the number of staffs. So it's also x plus 1. So we get this equation. Okay, we get this equation. So therefore, we can simplify this as x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals to x squared plus 51. So this, we multiply these together, we get x squared. This and this, we get x. This and this, we get x also. And this, we get 1. Equals to x squared plus 51. Okay, so these two will cancel out because it's the same thing actually. So we get these two. We can rewrite this as 2x plus 1 equals 51. So solve for x now. So we want to solve for x now. So 51 equals 2x plus 1. So we minus 1 for both sides, we get this. And now we divide 2 by both sides. So we get x equals 25. So they're asking how many staffs are there in the company now? So there was 25 originally. Now there's one more. So the final answer is 26.